Have you ever burped in space? Welcome back to the episode of Ferret Friday. If you ever burped in space, then you are violating the laws of physics.
In this house, we obey the laws of thermodynamics.
It turns out that burping in space is impossible. When we burp on Earth, the gravity clamps down the solids and the liquids from the food you just ate. So only the gas escapes, making a burp. In the absence of gravity, the gas cannot separate from the liquid or solid. So burping in space becomes the puking. Bleh! That is your Ferret Friday episode. We'll see you next time. Expression Ferret signing off. Yay!